Hi, we are here today with Claudine
at Choice Cabinet Showroom and Design Center.
So we're standing here in a beautiful vignette of a beautiful closet. Tell us a little about that.
This whole closet was just made with cabinets that we can modify in depth with glass, make doors out of, and some trim pieces.
What are some of the choices and options people have when they're creating a closet like this?
Color is one. They can choose one of our standard door styles with the finish already on it. We do have trend colors, which are 3 of those, or you can choose a custom color from Sherwin-Williams, and we can do it on any door style profile.
And I love how you have the white and the blue paired together with the gorgeous quartz island. This is just stunning.
Yes, very feminine.
So let's talk about some of the non-traditional places that we can put cabinets in our home.
Absolutely. So like you saw with the closet, people are doing entertainment centers, bookcases in offices and study areas, mud rooms, built-in hutches in dining rooms, bars, play areas. Yeah, there's
Hiding all those toys and making it look nice?
Absolutely, yeah.
So is your showroom open to the public?
Yes, you do not have to be working with a contractor, designer, builder. You can come in if you're doing this project yourself.
And even if they are?
Yeah, they can still come in. They may have a creative team with them, with a designer, with a contractor, but we also have a team here as well. And we can create beautiful spaces for them.
So it's not just about cabinets?
No, we have cabinets, we have a wide array of countertops, hardware, different vendors, different manufacturers.
Different finishes on both the hardware and the countertops.
What I love about when I come in here, there are so many displays of selections for quartz, showing you all the different colors and the textures. And with the cabinets, it's just a one-stop shop.
It is a one-stop shop. We do offer countertop replacements as well, but if you would like some cabinetry, we also have that too.
So the viewers mentioned they saw you on RES TV.
You can receive 10% off your cabinet and countertop purchase.